Morning students. In the last class we can discuss the calculation of binary addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and hexadecimal addition and subtraction. Octal addition, subtraction, that is not there in our syllabus, that we'll discuss afterwards. So once you know binary addition, in this class you can understand how to convert octal to binary and binary to octal and hexadecimal to binary and binary to hexadecimal. So you know decimal is the main number. In the previous classes, we have already discussed how to converting decimal to hexadecimal, decimal to binary and decimal to octal. So here directly you can convert hexadecimal to binary and binary to hexadecimal and octal to binary and binary to octal. So here octal base is what? Base 7. Sorry, base 8. Octal base is 8. So base 8 means in octal how many numbers are there? 7 numbers are there. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in octal, the least number is 0 and the highest number is 7. So in octal, after 7, 7 plus 1 is, so here it is 8, minus 8, 0, that is 0, 1 carry, that is 1, 0. In octal, after 7 is 1, 0. In octal, 1, 0 means in decimal 8. Okay, so after 1 0 in octal, there is 1 0 plus 1, 1 1. So like that you are going to count the octal number. So now here we are going to understand the main numbers in octal is 0 to 7. So today we can understand how to convert octal number into binary. So that is octal to binary. Then binary to octal. So if you want to convert octal to binary, you know the equivalent binary number for the octal number, right? So for that you can take the group of 3 binary number. You can take the group of 3 binary numbers. Okay, so group of 3 binary numbers means in binary how many bits are there? 2 bits. There is 0 and 1. So what are bits? 0 and 1 are the bits in binary in digital electronics. So here 0 is 1 bit, 1 is 1 bit. So how many bits are there? 2 bits are there. So group of 3 bits means 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 3 means what? 8. So 8 means if you are going to make the group of 3 bits, then you are going to get how many combinations? 8 combinations. That 8 combinations can be used for 0 to 7. In 0 to 7, how many numbers are there? 8 numbers are there. Because of that reason, I have taken the group of 3 bits. So you know binary addition. I am discussing this one today because without binary addition, it is not possible to know how to write the binary numbers for different combination. So now, for these are the octal numbers. Okay, so now we can write the group of binary number for the equivalent octal number. So here I am taken the group of 3 bits. Group of 3 bits for equivalent octal number 0. That is 0 0 0. 1 0 or 2 0 or 3 0 or 10 0, that is 0 itself. So here 0 0 0, that is for this 0. Now you can increment 1 by 1, binary increment. This is octal increment, this is binary increment. After 0 0 0, that is 0 0 1. I am adding each and every step, I am adding 1. So that you know binary addition. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1 0. Like that, using that binary addition concept, I am incrementing the binary number. Here the combination of 3 bits. So next for 2 is 0 1 0, 3 0 1 1, 4 1 0 0, 5 1 0 1, 6 1 1 0, 7 1 1 1. So here this is how many combinations are there? 8 combinations are there. So just you can write the particular combination for the equivalent octal number. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ octal to binary ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ನಿಮಗೆ 8 ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ octal ನಂಬರಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವು ರಫ್ ಆಗಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. octal to binary ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಿವೆಲೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೈನರಿ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಇನ್ಕ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದಾಗ 1 1 1 ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಮುಗೀತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 1 ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 1 1 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ 1 1 1 ಇದೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 plus 1 0, here 1 1 1 plus 1 0 1 carry 1 plus 1 0 1 carry 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಯಿತು 4 ಬಿಟ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಯಿತು ನಾವು ಆಕ್ಟಲ್ ಟು ಬೈನರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ 3 ಬಿಟ್ಸ್ okay this is group of 3 bits 0 0 0 to 1 1 1 those are how many combinations are there 3 bit combinations that is 8 combinations are there is 2 to the power of 3 8 combination 2 to the power of 4 16 combination that can be used in hexadecimal okay so now you will understand the equivalent binary number for the octal number now I am going to take an example 462 so it is an octal number if I written 8 here it is an octal number if I written 10 here there is a decimal number here we are not discussing about decimal number we are going to converting the octal number into the binary number so now you can take from right to left or left to right in this number how many octal digits are there 3 4 is one octal number 6 is one octal number 2 is an octal number here you can take right to left or left to right for that octal number write the equivalent binary number okay so here first bit is 4 so this 4 is octal number for that equivalent binary number is 100 you can write it that is 100 what is the next digit 6 so here what is the equivalent octal number for 6 that is 110 so next last digit 2 so for 2 what is the octal number there is what is the binary number 010 there is 010 base 2 students this is the binary number for the equivalent octal number so this is how to convert octal number into binary number octal number na binary number ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 8 binary combinations ಅನ್ನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು 3 ಬಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ start from 000 to 111 for that you can write the particular combination there is the procedure to convert octal to binary I will take one more example so 763 base 8 in octal number the highest number is 7 after 7 in octal number what is the next number after 7 that is 7 plus 1 0 1 carry 1 0 in decimal 8 after 8 in decimal 9 in decimal after 9 9 plus 1 0 1 carry 1 0 that is the concept so here this is an octal number 763 base 8 it is octal number here how many bits are there digits are there 3 digits are there you can take 3 digits or 4 digits or any number of digits so for 7 what is the equivalent number 111 binary so for 6 110 for 3 011 so it is the binary number like that you can take any octal number in that octal number you may have any number of digits so I'm going to take one more 20653 here you are having how many digits are there 5 digits are there so now we can take from right to left or left to right so for 2 what is the equivalent number 010 for 0 000 for 6 110 for 5 101 for 3 011 base 2 so in any digital principle if you are given this octal number convert that one into binary number this is the digital data like that the data can be stored so once you can understand how to convert octal to binary if you want to convert binary to octal take the reverse procedure now we can understand how to convert binary to octal binary to octal binary to octal so what is the procedure for converting binary to octal so I'm going to take one example take for example 100111001 now this is what type of number binary number convert this number into octal number for that the procedure is here you can clearly understand now you can take from right to left then make a group of 3 bits so now I am going to take from right to left okay so you can take the group of 3 bits so this is group of 3 bits next group of 3 bits next one is group of 3 bits Here you are going to get how many groups you are getting 3 groups. For that, write the equivalent octal number. Write the equivalent octal number. Say here 100. So 100 means in binary 100 means octal is, what is that? 4. I am going to write here 4. So next 111. In binary 111 means octal 7. Here you can write 7. Next 001. 001 in octal equivalent number is 1. Here you can write 1 base 8. So now 471 is the octal number for the equivalent binary number. So this is how to convert binary to octal. So I am going to take one more example. Take for example 10011100001. Take any number of bits. This is one binary number. Take from right to left. Make group of 3 bits. So this is first group, second group, third group. In the fourth group, here we are having how many bits are there? 2 bits are there. Make it 3. So here 10 or 010. Both are same. Here you can write 10 or before this you can write any number of zeros. There is no changes. In octal to binary you have to make group of 3 bits. That's why here I have written 0. 010 or 10. Both are same. ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯಾವುದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಒಂದು 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ 9 ಇದೆ, ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 09 ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, 9 ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಅದನ್ನ 3 ಬಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 0ನ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ? 1 2 3 4 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್. ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಈಕ್ವಿವೆಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. 010 means in octal 2. 001 means equivalent is 1. 110 means that is 6. Okay, next 001 means 1. This is octal number conversion. So this is a way how to convert binary to octal and octal to binary. I am going to take one more example. Take for example 10011.001111. So here we are having integer part is there, fraction part is there. You can take from right to left for integer, for fraction left to right. Make group of 3 bits. So this is 111, this is 100. Here we are going to get 2 groups. Here you can take 001 first group, 111 second group. From fraction part you can take from left to right. For integer part take right to left. Write the equivalent octal number. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದಂತ equivalent octal number ನ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ equivalent octal number ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು, ಬೈನರಿ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬೈನರಿ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ರೈಟ್, ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು 100 means equivalent octal number is 4. 111 means that is 7. 001 means that is 1. 111 means that is 7. Base 8. After converting the number, you must write the base. Using base itself, you can understand what type of number it is. This is a way how to convert binary to octal. So once you can understand this one, next one is hexadecimal to binary and binary to hexadecimal. Only the difference converting to octal to binary and binary to octal and hexadecimal to binary and binary to hexadecimal is in octal conversion. In octal, how many numbers are there? How many bits are there? 8 bits. 8 numbers, 0 to 7. That's why you have taken 8 combination. In hexadecimal, you are having how many numbers are there? That is 0 to F. 0 to F. That means how many numbers are there in hexadecimal? There is 16 number. Hexadecimal base is 16. In hexadecimal, how many numbers are there? 16 numbers are there. For each and every hexadecimal number, write the equivalent binary number. For that, here you have to take the combination of 4 bits. Group of 4 bits you have to take. 2 to the power of 4 means you are going to get how many combinations you are getting? 16 combination. In binary, we have taken the group of 3 bits. In hexadecimal, you have to take group of 4 bits. So now I am going to take, so here I am going to write hexadecimal number first. For that I am going to write equivalent binary number. Say hexadecimal number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9, there is A, B, C, D, E, F. So these are hexadecimal number. For these hexadecimal number, write the equivalent binary number. So zoom ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಪಟ್ಟನ. Okay. So here 0 to F. So now I am going to write the combination of group of 4 bits for the equivalent hexadecimal number. I am going to start from 0 0 0 0. Hexadecimal ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು group of ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಿಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ 4 ಬಿಟ್ಸ್. ಆಕ್ಟಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ 3 ಬಿಟ್ಸ್. ಯಾಕೆ 3 ಬಿಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಆಕ್ಟಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ 8 ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ 4 ಬಿಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ? ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ 16 ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ 4 ಬಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 0 0 0 0 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 1 ಇನ್ಕ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಇನ್ಕ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ 0 0 0 0 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 0 0 0 1, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ 0 0 1 0, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ 0 0 1 1, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 0 1 0 0, ಸೊ 0 1 0 1, 0 1 1 0, 0 1 1 1, ಸೊ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ 1 0 0 0 ಇನ್ಕ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಬೈನರಿ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಆ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನನಗೆ ಈ ತರ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 9 ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 8 1 0 0 1. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು 10 11 12 13 14 15 ಅದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಹೆಕ್ಸಾಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಡಿ ಇ ಎಫ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಸೊ 1 0 0 1, ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 1 0 1 0, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 0 1 1, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 1 0 0, next one is 1 1 0 1, 1 1 1 0, 1 1 1 1. I am starting from 1 0 0 0 0 to 1 1 1 1. Total how many combinations are there? 16 combinations are there. So using these combinations, now you can convert hexadecimal to binary and binary to hexadecimal. Using one example, I am going to convert hexadecimal to binary and binary to hexadecimal. Now I am going to take one example. A23 base 16. If I am writing base 16 means it is a hexadecimal number. Convert this one into binary number. So for it you can take hexadecimal to binary, you can take right to left or left to right. So for it, take each and every hexadecimal number. For it, write the equivalent binary number is a combination of 4 bits. So A means for this equivalent binary number is 1010. You can write this 1010. Next bit is hexadecimal number 2. So for 2, the equivalent combination is 0010, 0010. For 3, 0011, 0011. Base 2. So this is how to convert binary to hexadecimal to binary. I'm going to take one more example. C2F3.1A. So it is a hexadecimal number. For converting hexadecimal to binary, you can take right to left or left to right. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಬೈನರಿ ಟು ಹೆಕ್ಸಾಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ರೈಟೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ರೈಟ್ ಟು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೈಟ್ ಟು ಲೆಫ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸರಿನಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಹೆಕ್ಸಾಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೋತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಸಿ, ಫಾರ್ ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಇಕ್ವಿವೆಲೆಂಟ್ ಬೈನರಿ ನಂಬರ್? 1100, 1100. For 2, 0010, 0010. For F, 1111. For 3, 0011. Point. So 1, there is 0001. For A, there is 1010. Base 2. This is a way how to write hexadecimal to binary. So once you can understand how to convert hexadecimal to binary, now the reverse process, binary to hexadecimal. So how to convert binary to hexadecimal? Using some examples you can understand. So here I am going to write one example: 11110011 1000 base 2. So this is a binary number. Convert this one into hexadecimal. Now this is a integer number. Take from right to left. Then make a group of 4 bits. Group of 4 bits. In octal, group of 3 bits. So now this is binary number. Convert this one into hexadecimal number. Take from right to left. Make group of 4 bits. So this is first group, second group, third group. In each and every group, you should have the 4 bits. For that, you can write the equivalent hexadecimal number. 1111, 1111, that is in hexadecimal, that is F. 0011, 0011, for that, the equivalent hexadecimal is 3. 1000, 1000, for that, the equivalent hexadecimal is 8. Base 16. So this is how to convert binary to hexadecimal. Okay. So now I am going to take one more example. 100011110011.11110011 base 2. So this is one binary number. Take, it is an integer part, it is a fraction part. Now I am going to take from right to left, here left to right, make group of 4 bits. That is, this is first combination, second 4-bit combination, third 4-bit combination. Here you are having one more bit. Here it is 1. Convert this one into group of 4 bits. So 1 or 0001 both are same. You have to make it group of 4 bits. 4 bits group of 4 bits equivalent to hexadecimal number. So this is 1111. Here it is 0011. Now group of 4 bit group equivalent hexadecimal number 0001 andre esto, that is 1. Next one is 0001, that means that is 1. 1111, that means that is F. Next 0011, 0011 means that is 3. Point. 1111 means that is F. 0011, 0011 means that is 3. Base 16. This is a way how to convert hexadecimal to binary and binary to hexadecimal. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಆಕ್ಟಲ್ ಟು ಬೈನರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ 3 ಬಿಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಬಂತು? 8 ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 0002 to 111. ಆ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು? ಬೈನರಿ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಇನ್ಕ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದಾಗ ಕೊನೆಗೆ 111 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಕ್ವಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. ಹೆಕ್ಸಾಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ 4 ಬಿಟ್ ತಗೋತೀರಾ. ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ 4 ಬಿಟ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 0002 to 1111. ಅದನ್ನ ಇನ್ಕ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರಿ. 0000 ಇಂದ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಇನ್ಕ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ 1111 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಈಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ 0 ಇಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ 0 to 9 ABCDEF. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಕ್ವಲೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ನ ಬರೀತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ hexadecimal to binary and binary to hexadecimal. So in this class we are going to understand how to convert octal to binary and binary to octal, hexadecimal to binary and binary to hexadecimal. So in the next class, if you understand this video very clearly, we are going to follow the same logic. Okay, so using this we'll see the size of this video. Okay, so if it is uploaded and downloaded easily, then we are going to use the same methodology. Right? From tomorrow we will discuss 1's complement and 2's complement. Have a nice day, students.